Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I am going to show you how you can claim your PAWS token using Bybit. So now when you open your PAWS browser, you can see you click on TG dashboard down here. So you click on TG dashboard down here, it's going to open, and then you click next. Now you can see the claim button is live, so all you just have to do is to click on this claim, and then you sign and then continue. Now you can see you can withdraw option. You can see centralized exchange and on-chain withdrawal. On-chain withdrawal will be available later. If you are withdrawing to centralized exchange, 3% withdrawal fee is attachable. So you click on centralized exchange. Now you can see Bybit and Bitget. So in this video I am going to use Bybit. So I click on Bybit, then you see, do you have a Bybit account? No. Create one. Yes, I do. So I already have Bybit account, so I click on yes, I do. And then you can see the next one is Bybit UID and then deposit address. Now we are going to head over to Bybit. Okay, so now when your Bybit is open, you click on profile. You are going to click on profile. You click on profile, then you can see, you will see your UID code here. I've already copied my own UID code, so let me go back to the web, the PAWS web. So I'm going to paste it here. So make sure you paste it here. This is where I paste it. Now deposit address. Now this deposit address, a lot of people are getting it confused, so make sure you pay attention so that you can get the right deposit address for this particular airdrop. So now let's go back to Bybit. Now I'm on my Bybit, so I will go back. So when you go back to the menu, you will see deposit up here, and then you also do deposit in the other side. So you click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, you are going to see this. If you don't have PAWS, you can see in my Bybit, you click on the search menu, then you type PAWS. You can see it will appear like this. So you click on it, you click on the PAWS. So when you click on it, you can see it here. You click on the SOL. So when you click on the SOL, you will see this. Please confirm that you are depositing PAWS to this address on SOL network. Mismatched address information may result in a permanent loss of assets. So I confirm it. Now this is my PAWS deposit address. I copied the code. I'll copy it here. So when you copy it, you can see it here. You can as well save it. Then you go back to the PAWS web, then you paste it here. So when you paste it here, you click continue. You can see claim PAWS. Check your data, verify the data. You will not receive token if the information entered is incorrect. These are my data. You can see it here is correct. So you can as well change if you know your data is not correct, but in this case my data is correct, so I click continue. So I click continue. So now final step, you want to deposit 891 PAWS on this Bybit. I will say yes. So I will come. So you wait for some time for you to come. You can see the network is very tough. A lot of people are trying to do the same thing, so that's why it's taking time. So you can see claim PAWS. Don't receive your token in your Bybit account before trading starts has been selected. Bybit, you can see. So that is it. That is how you can claim your. So now I'll click finish. So you can see, congrats, the information is safe. Your token will be available for trading once the market open. You can see it here. So once the market open, I can actually start trading I will trade my PAW to USSD. Now you can see under here, you can see change withdrawal method. So you can as well change your withdrawal method before this time. So if there is any mistake you make, when you are doing this particular process, you can as well come here and change it. So but my own case, everything is correct, so that is why I have to leave it this way. So guys, that is how you can add your wallet address on your PAW, so that you can be able to receive your PAW token. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If this video is helpful to you, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when next I post another video like this, you will get notification.